Welcome to Srimangal, the tea capital of Bangladesh, the land of two leaves and a bud, a place where green feels endless, where silence feels peaceful, and where nature speaks in the softest way possible. Our journey begins on an unbelievably beautiful road, passing straight through the Finlay Tea Estate. On both sides, endless tea gardens stretch as far as the eye can see. The road itself feels like a destination, smooth, quiet, and surrounded by pure green. Today's main destination is Mrittunga Tea Estate. It's a bit far compared to other tea gardens, but trust me, it's worth every minute of the ride. This place feels untouched, calm, and incredibly scenic. The roads inside the tea estate are something else. They wind through hills of tea plants, creating views that instantly steal your heart. Every turn feels cinematic. Every frame looks like a postcard. Tea gardens on both sides, soft light filtering through the leaves, and a peaceful atmosphere that makes you slow down. This is Srimangal at its best. Exploring these roads by car is fun, no doubt, but riding through them on a bike, that's a whole different level of freedom. The wind, the view, the sound of nature, it just hits different. From here, we move on to Madhabkunda Lake and Tea Estate. The calm water, the surrounding greenery, and the quiet environment make this place incredibly relaxing. Time seems to slow down here, and before you realize it, you've already spent a long moment just watching and breathing. Standing here, surrounded by nature, it becomes clear why Srimangal feels so special. It's not loud, it doesn't rush you, it simply lets you exist. Srimangal is one of those rare places that doesn't try to impress you, yet leaves a lasting impression anyway. If you love nature, if you enjoy peaceful roads, if green landscapes make you feel alive, then Srimangal deserves a place on your travel list. At least once in your lifetime, you need to come here, slow down, and experience this beauty for yourself. This is Srimangal, calm, green, and unforgettable.